Hello everyone. Now today we will see this numerical. So just try to imagine the object here. So this is given as front view of the object, top view of the object, and it is given as which side you just tell me. It is drawn on the left side. So this is the right hand side view. So front view, top view, and the right hand side view of the object is given since it is drawn on the left side. Just see the front view of the object here and try to find out the what are the dimensions of this object here. Tell me what are dimensions here. In the front view it appears length, correct? So length of the object is 75 plus 15, so that is 90 mm. Length is 90 mm. Height of the object is C entire height, maximum height, it is 70 mm. And what is the width of the object here? Width of the object is 60 mm. So length 90, height 70, and width of the object is 60 mm. Just try to imagine the object, how the object might be. So when you try to imagine objects, the object might be, of the actual object is like this. See here. So this is a 3D view of this particular object. You might have questioned that, sir, we are not able to imagine the object. What you do, just take any 5 numericals. Take any 5 numericals, problem statement plus its solution. Just compare the problem statement with the solution. When you see you compare the problem statement, that is their views, with your actual solution. 6th numerical you are going to solve at your own, that is sure. So this is the only trick for the isometry. Everyone has the same question, sir, we can draw the object. Once you know the object, I can draw the object, but not to able to imagine the object. So simple trick is, take any 5 numericals, you can search on the Google as well, see the problem statement and see the solution. Just compare the statement with the solution, and once you do this trick for the 5 numericals, 6th numerical you are going to solve at your own, that is sure. That is the trick for the isometric solution. See here, again take the origin point. From the origin point, on the right hand side draw width because it is the right hand side view. Then on the left side draw the length of the object. Then vertical 90 degree draw the height of the object. Now see here problem statement and go on drawing the solution here. Just see here, just go on drawing like you are drawn for the previous numerical. Only tough part in this numerical is the how to draw the circle here, how to draw the isometric circle here. So this is the isometric semicircle. Don't take compass and start drawing the semicircle here, or by the smooth hand don't draw the curve line here. This is the isometric semicircle. Then what is the procedure to draw isometric circle? First find out what is the center of the circle. Center of the circle is at a distance of 35 mm from the baseline. See here, I have marked the center here. Then form a rhombus of dimensions, that is the size of the semicircle. So what is the diameter here of the semicircle? So in this case the diameter of the semicircle is, width is 60 means it is 30. So form a rhombus of dimensions 30 by 30. In this case you have to complete only the lower portion of this circle because it is only the semicircle. You have to follow the same procedure as for the circle, but what you have to do, you have to just draw the bottom portion of this particular semicircle, that is the isometric semicircle. Now next, how to draw the arc here. See here, you can see the arc on the extreme side. How to draw this arc? See here, simple trick is that you have to shift the center here. You have to shift the center. See here, to draw this particular arc, draw this arc, which center you use the center as point B. Point D you use as center. So you have to shift the point D in a direction of the length by the distance 15 mm, and you have to draw the remaining portion of the arc here. So that is the shifting of, or what you can do, again on that plane you have to draw the again rhombus, and you have to again draw this particular arc. So this completes the entire numerical. It is very simple numerical, just try for it, but make sure that this is the isometric semicircle, has the procedure same as that of the isometric circle, only you have to draw the bottom part of that particular circle. Fine. So complete this numerical. Thank you.